screenwriter, casting director, cinematographer, storyboard artist, editor. 5 AI crew members, 1 3-line logline. And the only person on set is you, exactly twice. The logline goes in. Ivy, a forest spirit, a dead lantern, a grove that has to live. The screenwriter breaks it into scenes and shots, structured, not a paragraph, a plan. Gate 1, you pick the cast. Ivy is already in the library, trained, locked. The other names, the grove, the path, the lantern, generate inline. They don't need a face that persists. Here's how she got that face. 5 reference stills, a vision-built identity Bible, rank 16, about 32 megabytes. The system looked at the photos and wrote what must stay true in every shot. Green skin, dark curls, ivy in the hair. The cinematographer plans lenses and frames. Then the storyboard artist fills the grid. And a local vision model looks at each still. On-model shots pass. Doubtful ones escalate. The AI reviews its own work and knows when to ask. Gate 2, you approve. Then the editor animates each still into a clip and cuts them together. Next episode, the editor that shows its work. One machine, no cloud.